Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to use templates on TikTok. So to get started, you want to press the plus button on the bottom. And now for the templates, you just go from camera to templates right here on the bottom. Click on templates. And now you get to choose the templates that TikTok has to offer. And let's say I want to go with this one. So now I click on it and I'm going to upload some images. So there are a lot of slots here. There are 16 actual slots for this one. So I can click on all of these. On the little circle at the top right of each photo. And I have to fill in all the slots before I can continue. So we'll be doing that. And now when you're done filling in those slots, you click next on the bottom right. And now what you can do is how you would edit a regular TikTok where you add text, you can do a voiceover, you can basically do everything you would do with a regular TikTok. You click next, and then you just go about adding a title, and then you click post. And that's how you use TikTok templates. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.